A unique Valentine's Day surprise. So, Jake, Valentine's Day is just a few days away. What's the plan?
Plan? Wasn't it your turn to decide this year?
Nice try. I remember last year you said, next year, I'll plan something unforgettable.
Did I say that?
You did. So, what's the big surprise?
If I told you, it wouldn't be a surprise, now would it?
Come on, Jake. Just a little hint?
Nope. You'll have to wait and see.
You're impossible. At least tell me what I should wear. Fancy? Casual? Pajamas?
Definitely not pajamas. Let's say, something semi-casual but comfortable.
Comfortable? Are we going hiking or something?
I'm not saying a word.
Okay, fine. But if you make me wear sneakers to a fancy restaurant, I'll never let you live it down.
Duly noted. I promise, the dress code will make sense.
Are there any clues you can give me? Like, is it indoors or outdoors?
It's mostly indoors, but there's a little outdoor element.
Mostly indoors? Are you taking me to some sort of escape room or something?
I didn't realize you thought I was so predictable.
Fine, I'll stop guessing, but I reserve the right to interrogate you again tomorrow.
You can try, but my lips are sealed.
We'll see about that.
Speaking of Valentine's Day, do you remember the year we tried to bake heart-shaped cookies?
Oh my gosh, yes. They turned out more like blob-shaped cookies.
They tasted great, though.
True, I wouldn't mind baking again this year.
I thought you liked surprises.
Touché. But baking can still be part of the day, right?
Maybe. Let's just say, I think you'll love what I've planned.
I'm sure I will. You're always good at making things special.
It's easy when it's for you.
Ah, that's sweet. But don't think flattery will distract me from finding out the plan.
Nice try, but you'll just have to wait a little longer.
Alright, I'll be patient. But one more question. Does this surprise involve food?
What's Valentine's Day without food?
Good answer. Now, can we at least pick out a dessert to make together?
Sure. How about chocolate-covered strawberries?
Yes. And we can dip them in white chocolate too.
I guess I could be convinced.
You'll thank me later.
Speaking of Valentine's prep, I should probably get a few things ready.
Oh, sneaky. Now I'm even more curious.
Mission accomplished.
Alright, fine. I'll stop prying, for now.
Good. Now, what do you want for dinner tonight?
You choose. But no surprises this time.
Deal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.